नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Good morning to you all. How are you all? After so many days we are meeting, right? Yeah, after our home test we are meeting now only, right? So many days you got leave from online class, but you were busy with your exams, right? Have you all written the exams well? How was the exam? Is it easy for you? How so many students have sent the photos. Those who didn't send still, please send the photos, my dear kids, and submit your papers on or before Saturday. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, then so suddenly after finishing the exam, you are not interested to watch videos. I know that. So I am not going to take new lesson and all. We didn't complete our activity book, right? Today we are going to take Pustak B book. Pustak B. All take your activity book. Pustak B book. All take. Keep one pencil with you. Okay, my dear kids. The first page you see that it's the name of the lesson. It is written there. What is the name in the textbook? That lesson's activity is given in this. Okay, this is not important for exam and all because this is very difficult for you to mark by heart and all. So we want to cover it. So what is important? I'll tell you to learn. Okay, my dear kids. So most it is not important. So what is important? I'll tell to learn. What I am telling you to learn only you want to learn. Otherwise don't want to learn. Okay, my dear kids. Here first page, page number 1. The same lesson name only, Chanda Ginti Phool Gaya, isn't it? So it is written, see the date, right side it is written Dinang. That Dinang means date. Dinang means date. On that column you should write today's date 4/11/2020 Budhar. Right there. Okay, my dear kids. Then 1.1 it is written, isn't it? So what is the meaning of that? Means lesson 1 exercise number 1, that is only that one. Kahani ka sar. Kahani ka sar means the meaning of the summary of the story. The meaning of the story or summary of the story. If the summary of the story, if I am telling you to write in Hindi, means is it easy for you? No, you are small kids, isn't it? Even higher kids they won't write. So this only for covering that page. I am giving on just copy that page. Okay, my dear kids. चंदा गिनती भूल गया कहानी को अपने शब्दों में लिखे. अपने शब्दों में means on words. You have to write the story Chanda ginti bhul gaya in your own words. So ma'am has written the answer here. You just copy that in your textbook. What it is written means, एक दिन चंदा तारों को गिनना शुरू किया. One day the moon started counting the stars. पर कितने दिन गिनने के बाद भी उसे तारों की को पूरी तरह से गिन न सका. But more days he was counting itself, but he didn't get the clear count. He didn't get the counting of stars. तब सूरज आकर उसे उसके मदद करता है. That time who is coming there to help him? मदद करना means to help. Who is coming? सूरज. सूरज who? Sun, isn't it? Sun is coming to help him. सूरज को भी बहुत मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ा, पर गिनती न मिला. He has also faced so many difficulties, isn't it? He went here and there, on the back of clouds, on the back of mountains, everywhere he searched because the sun used to come in the morning, so no stars will be there. So he also didn't get the counting of the stars. अंत में एक गांव में कुछ बच्चे गाना गाते हुए सूरज ने देखा. At last what happening? He is seeing that some kids were dancing and singing some song in a village. What they are singing? धरती में कितने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे उतने ही आसमान में प्यारे means how many kids are there in the world, that much stars are there in the sky. So that song they are singing. So by hearing that, यह सुनकर सूरज चांद को गिनती कहा. What happened? He ran fastly to moon and telling the counting of stars. That how many stars are, how many kids are there in the sky? That much kids are there in the, that much stars are there in the sky, isn't it? So like that he told. Then by hearing that, Chand khush हुए. Chand, the moon, felt happy. By hearing ma'am's voice, you felt that ma'am is sleeping. No, isn't it? Ma'am is not feeling well, so my sound is little bit like this. Okay, here next class onwards, I'll clear that one. Okay, my dear kids. Please excuse me for me. Okay, this only this class my sound is this much low. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, copy that. Then next page, you see the next page. There also you write today's date 4/11/2020 Budhavar. Then what is that? Unginat tare, uncountable stars. What is the question? लेखक की तरफ आप तारों को गिनने के लिए क्या करेंगे? कोई 5 तरीके बताएं. So like author has told like how many stars are there in the sky, that much. How many kids are there in the world, that much sky stars are there in the sky. So he counted the kids and he told, he compared the kids number with the stars. So you have to count something like that with the stars. How, what you will compare, like that he has asked. In the it you have to, how many is there? आसमान में है उतने ही तारे जितने पेड़ों में पत्ते. Like that it is written. See there it is written ना. आसमान में है उतने ही तारे जितने पेड़ों में पत्ते. Patte means in the all the trees and all, how many leaves are there, that much stars are there in the sky. That is the one example. So he is comparing the stars with the what? Leaves, right? Leaves we can't count, you know, how many leaves are. It is very difficult. Then jitni pani mein machliyan. Pani mein machliyan. How many fish? Machliyan means fishes. So how many fishes are there in the water? So first he told Ari. So that is also difficult for. So this is not important, and so I wrote the same in the down. You also copy that same. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, then जितने पेड़ों में पत्ते, जितनी पानी में मछलियाँ, जितने धरती में बच्चे. That 3 only enough. Okay, here she has asked 5 for us, no need. And then next page you take, my dear kid. That all there also you write today's date. Chand ka khilauना. Khilauना means toys. Khilauना what? This is not important and all. So you write. Khilauना means khilauना. What is the meaning of khilauना? Toys. Toys, okay. Okay. Then TOYS toys. This is one reading comprehension. Okay, this one you have to read the story and what is written in the 2 questions they are given. You have to understand the story and from that you have to write the answer. Ma'am has written that one, so don't want to worry. See what is the story. दी गई कहानी पढ़े और पूछे गए प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखे. Means the what story it is given, that story you should read and what questions if they are asked, they have to write the answer for that. What is the story? Let me read. राजकुमारी जिद किए बैठी थी कि उसे चांद और तारों से कमरा सजाना है. One Rajkumari means one princess. She was adamant. She was adamant and she is telling that she want to decorate her room with the moon and stars. Is it possible? Very difficult, isn't it? Unnecessary wish. So that girl is very adamant. So that girl is asking that I want to decorate. Sajana means decorate, kamara means room. I want to decorate my room with the what and all? Moon and stars. राजा जी ने चांद के खिलौने और नकली तारों से राजकुमारी का कमरा सजा दिया. What happened? Raja ji is doing that. What he is doing? Chand ke khilauने. Khilauने means toys. He is using the toys of moon and nakli means duplicate. Duplicate stars. With that, he was decorating the home, decorating the room, because it is not possible to decorate the room with the real sun and moon and stars, right? So he decorated the princess room with the toys of moon and also duplicate stars. पर उन्हें डर था कि राजकुमारी खिड़की से असली चांद और तारे देखकर कोई प्रश्न न करे. So she told that you have to decorate my room with the moon and star. So if the moon and star will come inside his room, means no moon and stars will be outside, right? So that man is afraid that if that Rajkumari, if that princess is seeing from the window that the moon and star is outside, means she will scold. Like that he felt so scared. रात के समय राजकुमारी खिड़की से असली चांद और तारों को देखकर सोच में पड़ गई. Then after that what happened? When that that princess was at the night, she was looking outside and seeing that the moon and the stars are outside. By here seeing that she felt something. She was thinking. उसने राजा जी से पूछा जब चांद तारे मेरे पास हैं तो आसमान में कौन है? Then that Buddhu princess is asking, if the stars and moon everything is with me in my room, means who is there in that sky? Who is that? Like that she is asking. Then राजा जी बोले, बेटी जब तुम्हारा एक दांत टूट जाता है तो दूसरा निकल आता है. Then Rajaji means his father. He is telling that, dear, when your dand means teeth. When your one teeth is falling down, what happening? When our one teeth is falling down, means that place another teeth will grow, like that, isn't it? So that man is that king is telling to princess that, my dear, when your one teeth is falling down, that time what happening? Another one teeth is coming in that place, right? So ऐसे ही आसमान पे भी दूसरा चांद निकला है. Like that another moon has grown in the sky. Like that he is telling. फिर तारे कहाँ से आए? Then stars from where it came? Like that she is asking. जब तुम्हारे बाल टूट जाता है तो वह भी वापस आ जाते हैं ना, ऐसे भी तारे आ गए. Then he is telling that by if your hair is falling down, means what is happening? Another hair is growing, like that. Tare, the stars also came again, like that he is telling. यह सुनकर राजकुमारी अपने चांद और तारों के खिलौने के साथ खुशी खुशी खेलने लगी. And then after that what happened? By hearing that, this princess she agreed everything. She believed everything and she is very happy with the duplicate moon and duplicate that stars, and she was very happy. Then what is the question? You see, my dear kids, राजा जी ने नकली चांद तारों से किसका कमरा सजाया था और क्यों? राजा जी, that king with the duplicate moon and stars, to whom's room he was decorating with this moon and duplicate moon and stars, and for what? Why? राजा जी ने नकली चांद तारों से राजकुमारी का कमरा सजाया था. He was decorating the princess room. क्योंकि why means वह जिद किए बैठी थी कि उसे चांद और तारों से कमरा सजाना है. Why means she was adamant and she was what she was doing, annoying to him, that he want the she want to decorate her room with the moon and stars. Then second question, राजा जी ने चांद के लिए दांत और तारों के लिए बाल क्यों कहा? Then next question is, for moon that king told like teeth, isn't it? For stars he told it is hair. Why he told like that? Why he compare these two with these two? Why? दांत सफ़ेद रंग का होते हैं. दांत is in white color, isn't it? चांद also बाल संख्या में अनगिनत होते हैं, इसलिए ऐसा कहा है. दांत सफ़ेद रंग के होते हैं मीन्स दांत मीन्स teeth. Teeth is in white color. So moon also white color. So he compare the teeth with the moon. Then ball it is uncountable, right? So stars also uncountable. So you can write there in the second lesson page also you can write ball कितने बाल in on the head, that we can write. सिर पर कितने बाल, that also we can add, that no need. So here it is telling that the hair it is uncountable. So he is comparing that with the stars. That much only. इसलिए ऐसा कहा. So that only he told that. Then next page take my dear kids. That is little bit funny, not funny. It is you one place or you write the date first, 4/11/2020 and Bhudavar. Then 1/4 exercise 1/4 व्याकरण अभ्यास means grammar exercise. दिए गए स्थान में अक्षर और उस अक्षर से शुरू होने वाले नाम, वस्तु, स्थान और पशु पक्षी लिखें. We used to play something one person will say the one letter A B C D E F G. One person will close the eyes and A B C D E F G. Then another one will say stop. Then that letter or T or S or any letter it is coming means using that letter we have to write name, place, thing, animal, like that, and one play is there now. That is only this one. See, using one letter you have to write. See, first column akshar. Akshar means that green color, you see, green color, this one. Here it is. That is what means. That is first column akshar. Akshar means letter. Then naam. Naam means name. Vastu means thing. Stan means place. Pashu or pakshi means animal or bird. This we used to play name, place, thing, animal or bird. So like that. See first one ma. Ma, using ma, what is the name? It is written Munmun. Then vastu, thing, moti. Okay, then stan, Modi Nagar. Then pashu or pakshi, murga, cock. Murga means cock. Modi Nagar means name of a place. Moti means ruby, that pearl. Then Mun means name of a person. Then next ma'am has written another one letter Ka. Using Ka, what is the name? Karan. Then Vastu Kursi. Kursi means chair. Then Kanyakumari, place of a place. Then Kauva. Kauva means crow. Then Cha. Cha using Chitra. Chitra. Chitra means picture. Then Chennai. Then Cheetah. Cheetah means cheetah. Then Pa. Papu. Patra. Patra means newspaper or letter, anything. Pune is a place. Panda. That panda. Then Ta. Ta. Tara. Name of a person. Tara. Star also name of a thing. Then Thiruvananthapuram. Then Tota. Tota means parrot. Then Sha. Name of a person. Shiny. Shringala means chain. Then Shillong is a place. Sher means lion. Funny only. Simply you want to know we learned in a Satya. According to that, this one only this for simply only. So this fully you copy that. Okay, my dear kids, I'll send the PDF also. Copy that and send it to me. Take your own time and complete it because you are so tired after writing the exams. Not everyone, most of the parents, I am so happy that suddenly they are responding for whatever I am telling. So very good, my dear parents, my dear kids. You are also cooperating with your parents. Very good, my dear kids. Keep doing like this. So this much is enough for you today. Okay, my dear kids, finish this and send to me. And those who didn't finish the exam, please finish it and send to me. Don't think that day over now, so don't want to send like that. Don't think you want to send fast all you don't, but hereafter you should not repeat it. But to this time I am giving excuse for you. You can send it on tomorrow or today, this week before 7. Please send it and submit the paper on Saturday. Okay, my dear kids. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.